Congress said yesterday that you're, quote, getting closer to using executive authority to cancel up to $50,000 in student loan debt. Can you confirm that? What exactly are you looking to plan to do here in the coming months?
You mean my spokesman said that?
The big question is, could Biden actually cancel up to $50,000 in student debt? Stay tuned to find out. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to our show where we will discuss what is happening in our country. We will talk about stimulus checks, SNAP benefits, pandemic EBT information, Social Security raises, and even some daily news. And we can't leave out all the giveaways we are doing on this channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have so much to talk about. Let's dive in. So the big question is, could Biden actually cancel up to $50,000 in student debt? So President Joe Biden has signaled that he might forgive some student loan debt and further extend the federal repayments. The president confirmed on Thursday comments by a lawmaker who discussed the issue with him the day before, saying, "I am considering dealing with some debt reduction," Biden said in a response to a shouted question after he gave prepared remarks about assistance to Ukraine. Again, I don't understand this whole assistance and help and support and actually getting funding to help Ukraine out more than we've already helped them out. We've already sent them a ton of money and support. Why can we not put some of that toward the American people? Why are we stuck with these high inflation prices? Literally, people are struggling more and more every single day, but you don't hear anything from the Biden administration about doing anything. You hear that it's in the works, that they propose certain programs, that they've tried to get things moving, but nothing has been done. Then all of a sudden, President Biden says, hey, let's send $33 billion to Ukraine. Yeah, doesn't make me happy at all. But smash that like button if you disagree with President Joe Biden. So Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said that President Biden is getting closer to canceling up to $50,000 in student debt for borrowers through executive action. They're going to take executive action one way or another. And I paused for a second as I read this article, went through it, and I said, this makes sense. They're trying to use executive action to do something that they promised the American people when they were trying to get elected. Do you remember when President Biden said that he would wipe out, cancel all student debt? Well, guess what? Now he's being under a huge microscope and people are saying, where is the promise that you told us? This is what was said. I'll keep urging the president to take this important step. And I say to my colleagues, I think the president is moving in our direction. This is what Schumer said on the Senate floor. My talks with him and his staff have been very fruitful over the last little while, and I'm hopeful that he would do the right thing. We are getting closer. For those that have student loans now, this is very exciting news because this means that they actually could be wiped out, at least up to $50,000. The Biden administration extended federal student loan payments earlier this month. You might have received an email saying that your student loan payment has been delayed until the end of August. You know, this would be such a relief for millions and millions of Americans. It stated that more than 43 million Americans owe a total of about $1.75 trillion in student loan debt, a number that has nearly doubled in the past decade, according to the Department of Education. So literally, Education Secretary Cardona on student loan debt action says we have more work to do. They're wanting to eliminate, wipe out, cancel all student debt, and there is a lot of good things about it. They're moving in the right direction. The progressive wing of the Democratic Party started pressuring Biden in the first weeks of his presidency to take executive action to cancel $50,000 in student loan debt. But Biden shot down their proposal last year, so now let's open the floor to discuss if this would be a good thing. This doesn't really make any sense at all, and I believe that the Democrats are shooting themselves in the foot. Remember, I am neutral on this channel. My opinion doesn't matter one way or the other, and I'm not for one or the other. Facts are facts, and I have to call it like I see it, and I hope that you would agree. If President Biden stated that he would wipe out student loan debt if he got elected, then why would he shoot it down when they proposed it to him? Why would he shoot it down and say, nope, we're not doing it, if this is what he promised the people? Now, if you're frustrated just like I am, and you're saying, hey man, keep your promise, then smash that like button and tell me that, hey, I want Biden to hold to his promise. The question is, and I'll ask this again, people are so divided about what is going on with this student loan debt. For those of you that have Facebook, I have seen post after post, one saying, do not cancel student loan debt. And I've seen many people that are saying, yay, let's cancel student loan debt. Many people are pushing Biden to cancel all of the student loan debt, not just a portion. They want it all canceled, saying it would take a load off them and it would help them greatly. But then if you look at the facts, if you dig deep and actually look at statistics, the majority of Americans actually do not have a college degree. So who is it that is really in favor of wiping out student debt? Here is what was said. Why should they be forced to pick up the tab for college degrees in the name of pandemic relief? This transfer of wealth is not a move to advance equity, but rather a taxpayer handout to appease a far-left activist. There is a battle that's going on for those who want debt removed and for those who do not want it removed. There is no dollar amount set in stone, but the $2 amounts that have been pushed so far is $50,000 of student debt canceled. But if that can't work, then they're at least trying to get $10,000 wiped out. You know, when I look at the articles and I look at the information, I know that anything helps out, right? Guys, let us know your thoughts and comments down below on what you think should happen. And if you think that they should cancel student loan debt, then smash that like button and say, cancel all debt. All right, guys, I hope that this information helped. We want to do our part on this channel and make sure we help you guys out. We know that anything helps. That's why we've decided to do a lot of giveaways on this channel. If you want a free stock with Robinhood, the link is down below in the description. And if you want to get 5 free stocks with Webull, we've also provided the link down below. Everybody wanted a Visa gift card, so make sure to smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win, and you might be that lucky subscriber who wins a free $50 Visa gift card. We will do that giveaway in the next few videos. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly the best. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and until next time, I'm John Miro.